Hi, welcome to the video 27 of our Adobe Premiere Pro course. In this video, you are going to learn how to do the reversing of a particular clip followed by how to do the time remapping for a clip. See, basically, reversing the clip means, for example, if the object is moving from this to this side, if you use the reverse option, it will move from this to this. It's that simple, guys. It's actually easy also. So for this example, I'm taking one of the video clip that I recorded. So this is actually a teleprompter. So if I play the video, this is how it moves, like in actual way. This is how I recorded. So if I want to do the same clip in reverse motion, select the clip, right click and choose the speed or duration. After that, choose the reverse speed option. And that's it. Don't touch any options. If in case you want increase or decrease the speed, and even if you want, you can change the duration as well. For example, there are some times where you want a particular clip for, let's say, 5 seconds. So on that time, this duration option is really helpful. You cannot tweak the speed to the exact percentage that meets the 5 seconds mark. After that, click on OK. Now, as you can see, I'm playing the video. It is now moving in reverse motion. Even you can observe it here to the side of the clip name, it is showing minus 100%. Minus indicates the clip is in reverse mode. I redo it. Now I'll show you how to do the time remapping. This is actually useful when you are like shifting from fast moving objects. Maybe you already seen a car related reels on Instagram and TikTok where they do the speed ramping. They do basically like this only. In After Effects we get some more controls. Since we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll show you how you can do it. For example, I cut this clip and make like this. So I do the speed ramping for this clip. After you select the clip, right click, then go to the last option where you can find this show clip keyframe. Select that and click on time remapping, click on speed. This is very important, guys. Again, I'm telling to you, right click on the clip, you will see these options. Scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the show clip keyframes. Just hover the mouse, you will see some more options. Again, hover the mouse to the time remapping, then click on speed. Now you can see a slider, I mean a bar type thing like this. So what is the use of this is, if we want to increase or decrease the speed of a particular section of the clip, this option is really useful. For example, if I want to speed up from this section to this section, I'll show you how it looks. Initially, move the slider to the place where you want to start this effect. Take the pen and click on this line. As you can see, a plus sign is also showing. If you move away, it won't show. Click on it so that a new keyframe is added here. Again, move the slider to the end point and again hover the mouse to the line. Again, you can see the plus symbol. Click on it. One more keyframe is added. Now take the selection tool. As we are increasing the speed of this clip, move to the upside so that it increase the speed, and even you can see the percentage as well, how much it is increasing. If you want to decrease it, the same thing but in opposite direction, you can see the percentage as well. Yeah, this is how you can do the speed ramping for any type of clips that you want, and you can add the custom keyframes for a particular time in a video clip. That's pretty much about for this video, guys. In the next video, you are going to learn how to ease out these keyframes that we added just now so that you can make enormous and quality cinematic effects when you are shifting from one scene to another scene. And also the effects I'm going to show you is like the basic. Once you are very good at the basics, then you can create unlimited transitions for your work. So see you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for instant updates.